Before I wax the mustache, though, I'm going to apply some of this Brass Tacks shaving lotion. This stuff is fantastic. It's like butter. It really is like butter, but I just apply it where I shaved. If you saw my earlier video, I did this for a full shave and applied it to my face. And if you noticed in that video, I nicked myself right there. And after I applied that shave lotion, that aftershave lotion, the bleeding stopped, and it doesn't sting at all. There's no alcohol in that. So highly recommend Brass Tacks aftershave lotion. For the mustache, I'm going to go ahead and stick with Brass Tacks and apply that to the mustache. This is a lighter colored, works with my light Stache. So what I like to do is start with, I just heat up the wax, and then I get it on the fingers, heat it on my fingers, and then start applying.